Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some sound effects I made with my own voices that I added to Nightmare Depth. And yes, all of these sounds that I made are mine, with my voice.
Found you. Come out, player. I won't hurt you. I just want to be friends. Where are you? Come out wherever you are. You can't hide forever. I see you.
If you won't let me in, oh, when I find you, I'll tear you limb from limb. Just you wait until I find you. You can't run forever.
And that is the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.